Good morning, Sir Marvin. I don't know if this morning in your son, but today's morning, so we're just going to say good morning, okay? Okay, we are here to talk about our
rock exhibit that we will show you soon later when I start rock cafe.
Okay, my name is Edward Butao. This is my colleague Benjamin Marcy, and the cameraman is Leslie Reyes.
I hope you enjoyed this soon because now we're going to talk about rock classification. Here we have the three classifications of rocks. Tell me, what is this that you're calling?
This is the igneous side.
Now what is this?
This is the metamorphic side.
How about this?
And this is the sedimentary podium.
More about sedimentary rocks. What are sedimentary rocks?
Sedimentary rocks are rocks that have been grouped by sediments.
Formed by accumulation of sediments. There are three basic types of sedimentary rocks. Plastic sedimentary rocks, which such as breccia. We have breccia. Conglomerate sandstone and shale. Conglomerate sandstone, as you can see. Another one is chemical sedimentary rocks. As you can see in the drawing, chemical sedimentary rocks are something like limestone. And there's organic sedimentary rocks such as coal and some limestones which form from accumulation of plant or animal debris. So, do you understand now?
Yes.
You understand, my dear friend? Now, what are metamorphic rocks, my dear buddy?
Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have been changed through heat, pressure, and chemical active fluids.
That's right. Usually buried deep below. As you can see, this is a metamorphic rock deep under the surface.
Yes.
And so there are two basic types of metamorphic foliated, such as gneiss, PHYLLIte, such as this, PHYLLIte, schist, and slate, which have layered or banded appearance. Non-foliated metamorphic rocks such as marble and quartzite, which do not have layered or banded appearance. Pictures and brief, well, you get the idea.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about one of my favorites, igneous rocks. What are igneous rocks to you?
Igneous rocks are rocks that came from volcanoes.
Well, that's basically the idea. Igneous rocks are formed from the solidification of molten rock.
Yeah.
Molten rock, so it doesn't have to be volcano. There are two basic types, intrusive, such as diorite, gabbro,
Yes.
granite, and pegmatite that solidify below the Earth's surface, and extrusive igneous rocks such as andesite, basalt, and obsidian, and pumice.
Pumice.
Understand?
Yes.
Oh, and rhyolite as well. That they solidify above the Earth's surface. So intrusive below and extrusive above.
Yes.
Pictures, yeah, you get the idea. Now, can you please tell me what does our conglomerate mean here?
Okay. Conglomerate is a clastic sedimentary rock that contains large, rounded particles. The space between the pebbles is generally filled with smaller particles and/or a chemical cement that binds the rock together. The specimen shown above is about 2 inches across. You see, conglomerate, 2 inches across.
That's right.
Okay.
Now, let's talk about the other ones. The other one is sandstone. Sandstone. Plastic sedimentary rock made up mainly of sand size. Kind of looks like sand. It does.
Yes.
It's made up of sand. That's the name said it itself, right?
Yes, sandstone.
Sandstone. Well, there's also, let's go to metamorphic, shall we?
Yes, metamorphic rocks.
PHYLLIte. PHYLLIte is a foliated metamorphic rock that is made up of mainly fine-grained mica. Get it?
Yes.
And there's hornfels as well. Hornfels is the fine-grained non-foliated. Non-foliated, that means?
Non-foliated is the non-bonded appearance.
Non-foliated such as which do not have layered or bonded appearance. That's not bad, my dear. Now, hornfels is fine-grained non-foliated metamorphic rock with no specific composition. So, no composition at all.
Yes.
Well, there is actually a composition, but it's just not specific, right?
Yes, of course.
It is produced by contact metamorphism. Hornfels is a rock that was baked while near a heat source such as a magma chamber, but since it was baked near magma chamber, it's different from igneous. Now let's go to schist. Most people say schist or schist, but it's actually schist.
Yes, schist.
Schist is a metamorphic rock with well-developed foliation. It often contains significant amounts of mica, which allow the rock to split into thin pieces. Well, it can't break right now, but it can. It is a rock of intermediate metamorphic grade between phyllite and gneiss, as you can see, phyllite. Its specimen, well, yeah. Now let's talk about slate. It's foliated metamorphic rock that is formed through metamorphism of shale. Do you know what shale is?
Yes.
Okay, I guess I don't even need to explain it anymore. Slate is a foliated metamorphic formed through shale. It is low-grade metamorphic rock that splits into thin pieces. The specimen shown above is about 2 inches or 2 inches or 5 centimeters across. Can you see? Now, can you please talk about, let's talk about one of the most famous igneous rocks, basalt.
Yeah, basalt. Okay. This is basalt. Basalt is a fine-grained, dark-colored, extrusive igneous rock composed mainly of plagioclase and pyroxene.
What is that?
The composition.
Okay, I see.
The specimen shown is about 2 inches or 5 centimeters across.
Are you sure?
Yeah, in the across here.
Okay, yes.
About 2 inches. Okay.
So what's next then? Pumice. What is pumice? It's light-colored vesicular. What is this? We'll talk about vesicular later. Vesicular igneous rock. It forms through very rapid solidification of a melt. This vesicular texture is a result of gas trapped in the melt at the time of solidification. The specimen shown is about 2 inches, 5 centimeters across. Now, can you talk about GABBRO, would you, my dear colleague?
Of course. GABBRO is a coarse-grained, dark-colored, intrusive igneous rock that contains feldspar, algite, and sometimes olivine. Yeah, this is GABBRO.
Alright, as you can see, we only have probably 2 left, and one of them is RHYOLITE. RHYOLITE is a light-colored, fine-grained, extrusive igneous rock that typically contains quartz and feldspar minerals. The specimen shown above, well, I'm not sure about the size, but you can see it.
I hope you learned a special lesson about the presentation that you did.
Yes, and I hope this can help you during your trying to make the Athenium hard rock cafe. Thank you for listening, and I hope this was very